I'm gonna pull this up. I'm trying to be very careful on this design because a lot of the shirts are similar with very slight differences. See, these are very similar, but this one goes on the front. It doesn't have the word upholstery by DC Dolce Company here in Fayetteville, North Carolina. The young lady Jennifer, she reupholsters, does great work. Check her out. So this is some shirts we're doing for her. I said I was gonna take this 10 by 10. So let's go up 10 by 10, and this should be 4 by 4. Okay, so what I did was with the white, I attached, so all the white will be together in this same setup. Okay, and the red is just gonna be separate. And it'll all come together. If you're familiar with Cricut Design Space, if not, we got videos on that too. Check them out. Maybe I'll put the link right up there. Alright, so, okay. Now, check this out. This, I don't know if you can see that. Let me try to zoom in a little bit. Alright, I know the screen probably jumping and looking crazy, but I should have did a screen record on this. But like I said, we got to work tonight, trying to get in some work. So, this is the outside. That's all I need. I don't need any of this on the inside. So I can run it like this, but that's a lot of space for wasted vinyl. So what I'm going to do is, of course I'm going to mirror it. I'm going to mirror this one as well. Now this one is much smaller, so I'm going to move it to the center of this one. Alright, now, a little shortcut. I'm trying to conserve vinyl, so I'm going to cut this inside of here and it'll be good to go. And you'll see what I mean once we finish. So the white is good, it's set. I need to cut, let's say like 11 by 11. Alright, I need red, I need white. White, I need 11 by 11. So I got the numbers across the top. And I'll just score it really good. So it's already 12 inches that way. So I got 11 by 11. And this. Just bought these scissors. So they are good to go. Shiny side down. Always remember. Shiny side down. Got that set. Let's go put it on. Now normally I got a bunch of these to do, but I never want to go ahead and get the whole job set without doing at least one to make sure everything is all set. Put it on fast mode. We're gonna let that run. I said I would show you why I cut this the way I did, or placed it the way I did on the mat. Now remember, I'm putting something else inside. So what I want to do is, I'm going to cut in here. Should I let that stick? And this doesn't matter because the letters are going to go inside of here. The red letters, DC. Alright. That is just one easy way to save vinyl. Thank you for watching Quick Clips Saving Vinyl by Craft Life with the Sansburys. Don't forget to subscribe.